Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply to Vidyajyoti School. First, ensure you meet the school's admission requirements. Next, collect all required documents like your child's birth certificate and any previous school reports. Then, carefully fill out the online application form, making sure all information is correct. This initial preparation saves time and prevents common errors, setting you up for a smooth application process. After completing the form, you'll need to upload scanned copies of your supporting documents. Make sure these are clear and legible. Following this, proceed to pay the application fee. The school typically offers several online payment methods for your convenience. Once everything is submitted, you should receive a confirmation. Keep this confirmation number safe, as it's crucial for tracking your application status. The next step often involves an interview or assessment for your child. It's a good idea to prepare them by discussing what to expect. Pay close attention to the school's communication regarding interview schedules and result publication dates. Promptly respond to any requests for additional information or follow-up meetings. Being organized and responsive during this phase is key to a successful application. Congratulations if your child receives an admission offer. Be sure to accept it within the given deadline to secure their place. You'll then need to complete any final enrollment formalities, which might include further fee payments or submitting original documents. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. We wish your child a wonderful and successful journey at Vidyajyoti School. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.